Good evening, mystery solvers. I'm not here today for a heavy lecture, but to share a magic trick that will make you look like a business wizard. Often, when a small fire breaks out in our business processes, the first instinct is to douse it with water. But wait, isn't it smarter to find out where did that spark come from? Today, we will put on our Sherlock Holmes hats and dive into the world of the Fishbone Diagram. This is a super powerful tool for digging down to the root of the problem, not just its branches. And guess what? We don't need to shell out for expensive software. We will summon the unsung hero that resides on every one of our laptops. Yes, the maestro, Microsoft Excel. Alright, before we start painting our masterpiece, let's prepare our digital canvas in Excel. Just open a fresh new sheet as if you're starting a new adventure. Then go to the View tab and uncheck Gridlines. Ta-da! Now we have a clean battlefield, free from the distraction of lines that seem to say, hey, use me. This is your space to create. Define your problem clearly. This is the head of the fish. Use an Excel box for clarity. Be specific. Now it's time to draw the backbone of our mysterious sea creature. This is the main highway that will connect all potential villains to the main victim, which is your problem. Take the line arrow from Insert Shapes and draw a bold, thick horizontal line pointing directly to the effect box. Don't be stingy, make the line thick, maybe 3 pt or 4 pt, so it stands out and says, I am the main connector here. Alright, now our fish needs big fins, or more precisely, its main ribs. We will use the tried and true 6Ms framework from the manufacturing world. Draw diagonal branches from our main backbone. These will be home to the major categories like manpower, methods, machines, materials, measurement, and even Mother Nature, aka the environment. They are the main players that might be contributing to our problem. Here comes the fun part. Time to let out all our wild ideas. Under each of the 6M categories, we will start drawing the small bones that branch off. Use the line tool again to create smaller horizontal lines as if they are the more detailed roots of the problem. Next to each small branch, stick a text box and write down the specific cause. For example, under manpower, there might be lack of training or too much coffee in the morning. Okay, the last one might be an exaggeration, but you get the point. Use the 5 whys technique. Dig deeper to find the root cause. Add sub-branches for deeper insights. Congratulations! Our fish is complete with all its bones. Now it's time for a detective session with your team. Pay close attention. Are there any naughty causes that appear repeatedly in different categories? That could be a strong candidate for the true root cause. Use a bright red shapes oval to highlight these main suspects. They are your priority, the enemy that must be addressed immediately. So, what's the conclusion from our adventure today? Excel, the often underestimated hero, turns out to be a magic sword for root cause analysis, without you needing to spend a dime on new software. This fishbone diagram isn't just a funny drawing, but a super effective visual thinking framework for your brainstorming sessions. It transforms you from a reactive firefighter who is always panicking into a proactive strategist who knows exactly where to act. Stop playing the guessing game. Let's start solving problems with data and creativity. Cheers!